In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Smartsheet. We'll walk through the full setup process from the very beginning. So if you're brand new to Smartsheet, this will help you get up and running in a simple and practical way. The goal here is to create your account, get inside the platform, and begin building your first working sheet so you can start organizing projects, tasks, and timelines more effectively. First, go to the Smartsheet website in your browser. Once the homepage loads, look for the option to sign up or start a free trial. This is usually easy to spot on the main page. Click that button to begin the registration process. Next, enter your email address in the sign up field. Make sure you use an email that you can access, since platforms like this often send a confirmation or verification message before you can fully activate your account. After that, continue to the next screen and create your account by following the prompts shown. Depending on what appears, you may be asked to add a password and a few basic account details. Just complete the required fields and finish the setup process. Once your account has been created, log in to Smartsheet using your new credentials. After you enter the platform for the first time, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. Smartsheet is designed to help you manage work in a spreadsheet style format, but with more structure for collaboration, tracking, and planning. Now it's time to create your first sheet, or if you prefer, choose a template. If you want a fast start, a template can be helpful because it gives you a ready-made structure for common workflows like project tracking, task management, or planning. If you'd rather build everything yourself, creating a blank sheet gives you more flexibility and helps you learn how the system works from the ground up. After your sheet is open, start adding the key information you want to track. Begin with tasks, then include dates, owners, and status columns. This setup gives you a strong foundation for managing work clearly. Tasks define what needs to be done. Dates help you stay on schedule, owners show responsibility, and status columns let you quickly see what's complete, in progress, or still pending. As you build, keep your naming clear and consistent so your sheet stays easy to read. And that's it. You've now completed the basic setup and started using Smartsheet in a practical way.